Hey everyone! Welcome to the Spoon of Knowledge channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most fascinating technological innovations of our time, drones. With their ability to capture breathtaking aerial footage and explore hard-to-reach places, drones have become an essential tool for filmmakers, photographers, and adventurers alike. So, if you're new to the world of drones, or if you're looking to learn more about how they work, then this video is for you. Let's get started. What are drones? Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are aircraft that can be controlled remotely or fly autonomously. They come in various shapes and sizes, from small quadcopters to large fixed-wing aircraft, and are equipped with cameras, sensors, and other advanced technology. How do drones work? Drones use a combination of GPS, sensors, and software to navigate through the air and perform various tasks. They are powered by batteries and can fly for anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the model. Types of drones. There are many types of drones, each with its own unique features and capabilities. Some of the most popular types include camera drones, racing drones, toy drones, and agricultural drones. How to fly a drone safely and efficiently. Flying a drone can be a thrilling experience, but it's important to keep safety in mind at all times. Before you fly your drone, make sure you are familiar with the local rules and regulations. In many countries, drones are subject to strict laws governing where and how they can be flown. You may need to obtain a permit, register your drone, or follow specific guidelines for flying in certain areas. By familiarizing yourself with these rules, you can ensure that you fly your drone safely and avoid any legal trouble. When selecting a location to fly your drone, look for a wide open space with few obstacles, such as trees or buildings. Avoid flying near airports, stadiums, or other crowded areas, as this can pose a risk to other people and aircraft. If you're flying in a public area, be considerate of others around you and avoid flying too close to people or animals. Before taking off, it's important to conduct a pre-flight check to make sure your drone is in good condition. Check the battery levels, inspect the propellers for damage, and make sure all the controls are functioning properly. This will help you avoid any accidents or malfunctions while in flight. Once you're ready to take off, practice some basic maneuvers to get a feel for how your drone handles. Start by hovering in place, then move the drone forward, backward, and side to side. Practice making turns and adjusting the altitude. This will help you build your flying skills and gain confidence as a pilot. While flying your drone, keep a close eye on the drone itself, as well as your surroundings. Be aware of any potential obstacles or hazards, such as power lines or trees. Keep your drone within your line of sight at all times, and avoid flying too high or too far away. In the event of an emergency, it's important to know how to respond quickly and safely. If your drone loses power or starts to malfunction, try to land it as soon as possible. If you're flying near other people or property, be prepared to take evasive action to avoid any accidents. Drones are used in a variety of industries, from filmmaking and photography to search and rescue operations and scientific research. We'll explore some of the most exciting and innovative ways that drones are being used today. So there you have it, a beginner's guide to drones. Whether you're looking to buy your first drone, or simply interested in learning more about this amazing technology, I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Remember, flying a drone can be a fun and rewarding experience, but it's important to always prioritize safety and follow the rules and regulations in your area. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more great content.